A power cable is far more than a simple wire. It is a complex engineering system. Each layer serves a specific purpose, designed to protect our power grids, industrial plants, and homes from failure. A standard power cable is composed of 5 distinct layers. From the inner conductor that carries the current to the outer sheath that guards against the environment, every component plays a vital role in the system's overall function. At the heart of the cable is the conductor. Manufacturers typically use 3 core shapes: solid, stranded for flexibility, or compacted sectors to save space in multi-core designs. Engineers choose between copper and aluminum for the conductor. While copper offers excellent conductivity and flexibility, aluminum is lightweight and highly cost-effective, making it ideal for long-distance power distribution. The insulation layer is the electrical shield. It tightly wraps the conductor to prevent short circuits and dangerous electrical leaks. Its performance is measured by dielectric strength, heat resistance, and flame retardancy. Matching insulation to the environment is key. PVC is perfect for indoor household wiring, while XLPE handles the demands of medium and high voltage cables. Rubber is used in rugged, mobile applications like mining. Multi-core cables simplify complex systems by bundling multiple conductors. This approach reduces the total number of cables needed, creates an organized installation, and significantly saves on labor time. The inner sheath acts as a bedding layer. It fills the gaps between cores, maintains a uniform cylindrical shape for the cable, and provides a smooth base that prevents the outer armor from piercing the insulation. For harsh environments, the armor layer provides a mechanical shield. This metal protection is essential for underground or mining applications, where the cable might face severe physical pressure. Different armor types solve specific threats. Steel tape resists heavy compression in buried layouts, steel wire handles extreme pulling tension, and aluminum wire offers a corrosion-resistant solution for coastal environments. The outer sheath is the final line of defense. Whether using PVC for cost-effectiveness, PE for moisture resistance, or LSZH for fire safety in public spaces, this layer stops chemicals, abrasion, and UV light. Voltage level dictates the required structure. Low-voltage cables maintain a simple, compact design, whereas medium and high-voltage cables require thick insulation and semiconductive shielding to manage intense electric fields. Experts know that more is not always better. Unnecessary armor adds cost and reduces flexibility, and focusing solely on the conductor ignores the critical role of insulation in preventing electrical fires. To summarize, every layer of the cable is purpose-built. The conductor fights resistance, insulation prevents shorts, the inner sheath minimizes friction, armor stops crushing damage, and the outer jacket defends against environmental hazards. Ultimately, smart engineering ensures a reliable power grid. By correctly matching the cable structure to its intended environment, we extend service life and guarantee safer, more efficient performance.